皆さん、日本語コースへようこそ. Hello and welcome to another class with this Japanese for Beginners course. This is Rosie, your teacher, and I'm so excited about today's class. But before we start it, let's review what we have learned in the previous lesson. Let's do 復習, 復習. Let's go. 洗面台, 洗面台. タオル, タオル. ヘアドライヤー、ヘアドライヤー。バスマット、バスマット。トイレットペーパー、トイレットペーパー。鏡、鏡。ボディソープ、ボディソープ。シャンプー、シャンプー。コンディショナー、コンディショナー。歯磨き粉、歯磨き粉。歯ブラシ、歯ブラシ。磨く、磨く。歯を磨く、歯を磨く。体重計、体重計。浴槽、浴槽。バスタブ、バスタブ。シャワー、シャワー。浴びる、浴びる。シャワーを浴びる、シャワーを浴びる。お風呂に入る、お風呂に入る。Great job on this review. And today we will learn about the supermarket, or in Japanese, スーパー、スーパー、スーパー。Very good. So price in Japanese is 値段、値段、値段。Or it can also be called 価格、価格、価格。Discount in Japanese is called 割引。Discount in Japanese is called 割引、割引、割引。Now, if you see something like this written in Japan, 1割引き、1割引き、1割引き。1割 would mean 10%. 1割。引き is discount, so like off. So 1割引き would be 10% off. If we have 2割引き, it would be 20% off. Now, 50% off would be 半額。半額、半額。Because 半 means half. Sale would be セール、セール、セール。Aisle would be 通路、通路、通路。Money would be お金、お金、お金。Cash、現金、現金、現金。or キャッシュ、キャッシュ、キャッシュ。Card would be カード、カード、カード。Credit card would be クレジットカード、クレジットカード、クレジットカード。Bag、袋、袋、袋。Register、レジ、レジ、レジ。Cart or trolley、カート、カート、カート。Milk、牛乳、牛乳、牛乳。So some of these words you have learned in the very, very first lessons of this course, but just so we would review it, okay? Because we're talking about supermarket and what we are buying there. Soy milk would be 豆乳、豆乳、豆乳。Almond milk、アーモンドミルク、アーモンドミルク、アーモンドミルク。Yogurt、ヨーグルト、ヨーグルト、 ヨーグルト butter バターバターバター cream クリームクリームクリーム alcohol 酒酒酒but very often you will see it with o in front of it to make it sound more polite, like osake osake. And also, while in the West, when we hear the word sake, we think of Japanese alcohol in particular. In Japanese, sake just means alcohol in general. It doesn't mean the real Japanese sake. It just means alcohol. Rectangular shaped bread. 食パン食パン食パン Whole grain 全粒全粒全粒 Sugarless 無糖無糖無糖 Gluten free グルテンフリーグルテンフリー Wheat 小麦小麦小麦 Rye ライ麦ライ麦ライ麦 Rice flour 米粉米粉米粉 Rice, this is uncooked rice 米米米 Brown rice 玄米玄米玄米 White rice 白米白米白米 Rice that doesn't have to be washed 無洗米無洗米無洗米 Meat 肉肉肉 Chicken 鶏肉鶏肉鶏肉 Pork 豚肉豚肉豚肉 Beef 牛肉牛肉牛肉 Lamb meat ラム肉ラム肉ラム肉 Salmon 酒酒酒 or salmon 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 Tuna マグロマグロマグロ so it can be written in kanji and it can be written in katakana マグロ Tofu 豆腐豆腐豆腐 Japanese pickled vegetables, so like carrots and other vegetables like cucumbers 漬物漬物漬物 Sweets or snacks お菓子お菓子お菓子 Organic オーガニックオーガニックオーガニック or 有機有機有機 Salt 塩塩塩 Pepper 胡椒胡椒胡椒 Oil 油油油 Olive or olives オリーブオリーブオリーブ Vinegar 酢酢酢 To buy 買う買う買う To pay 払う払う払う Shopping 買い物買い物買い物 Frozen food 冷凍食品冷凍食品冷凍食品 Canned food 缶詰 Kanzume. Kanzume. Household needs. So the things that you need for your everyday life, for cleaning and etc. Nichiyohin. 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 Dairy products. Nuseihin. 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 And another thing, apart from the supermarket, that is very, very popular in Japan is 100 yen store or something like $1, or it's something like $1 store or €1 store. It's called hyakin. 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 I highly recommend visiting one. And now, what to expect when shopping in Japan? So these are some phrases that you might hear when you will be entering the store. So the first one is いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ. And they will be like saying it very, very loudly too. Like いらっしゃいませ. It means welcome. Another thing that they might ask you when you will be entering the store is, what are you looking for? 何をお探しですか? 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 Certainly. So when you ask something from them, they will say かしこまりました。かしこまりました。かしこまりました。And if you ask something from them and they kept you waiting, they will say お待たせいたしました。お待たせいたしました。お待たせいたしました。How do you like it? Or how is it? They would ask it like this. They wouldn't say どうですか? They would say いかがですか? 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 Now, questions you might want to ask while shopping. So the first one is, do you have something something? So something はありますか? Something はありますか? You could also say something がありますか? You might also want to ask, where is something? Where is something? Something はどこにありますか? Something はどこにありますか? Now, if you want to ask how much is it, you would ask it like this. これはいくらですか? 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 Now, if you want to take a look at something, you can ask 見てもいいですか? 見てもいいですか? So, て plus もいいですか form that we have already learned. 見てもいいですか? And if you want to take something, you will say これにします。これにします。これにします。I'll take this. お疲れ様です。You have worked so hard, and I think now you can go shopping in Japan. おめでとうございます。And I'll see you in our next lesson. またね。